Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. Now, BR Maths class is available in both Android and iOS app. Link is there in the description. If you want full course link, that link is there in the description. We are doing trigonometry chapter. In this trigonometry chapter, till now, complete NCERT we completed, and I did one dedicated video for all the formulas which is very useful to all the students. Please check that video link. And we are doing shortcuts in trigonometry. In last video we completed shortcut number 1. In this video we are going to learn about second shortcut. At any point of the time while watching this video, if you find a valid point, then please drop a like for this video and share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Without much delay, let's begin the class. In this, we are going to learn shortcut number 2. What is the shortcut? If a plus b is 90 degrees, whenever you see a plus b is 90 degrees, directly you can write sin square a plus sin square b value is 1. Not only that, when a plus b is 90 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b is 1. Here, it's not so difficult to remember all these things. When a plus b is 90 degrees, sin square a plus sin square b is 1. When a plus b is 90 degrees, cos square a plus cos square b is 1. If a plus b is 90 degrees, then tan a into tan b is 1. When a plus b is 90 degrees, cot a into cot b equal to 1. First, I will derive these 4 results. Actually, while solving the problems, we use them as formulas. I'll derive these results so that in case if you forgot these properties in exam, you can derive immediately. These derivations are not so difficult, they are very easy. See, whenever a plus b is 90 degrees, from this a can be written as 90 degrees minus b. As I want to prove sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1, I'll apply sin to this equation both sides. Sin a equal to sin 90 minus, from trigonometry formulas you learn this. When 90 degrees is there, sin changes to cos. Okay, so sin 90 minus b is what? That is cos b. 90 minus b is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive, so sin is also positive. So sin 90 minus b is what? Is cos b. So left hand side, what I got? Sin a equal to cos b. What I'll do, I'll square on both sides. You square on both sides, sin square a equal to cos square b. You know from trigonometry formulas, this cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b. Yes, so this cos square b, you write it as 1 minus sin square b. Now, this sin square b, you take it to the left hand side. Then, what you will get? Sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. So, we proved this first result. Whenever a plus b is 90 degrees, sin square a plus sin square b is 1. Not only that, whenever a plus b is 90 degrees, cos square a plus cos square b is also 1. Now, I'll derive the second one. As they given a plus b is 90 degrees, I know that a equal to 90 minus. I want to prove that cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. So, I'll apply cos to this on both sides. Cos a equal to cos 90 minus b. As 90 degrees is there, this cos changes to sin. So, cos 90 minus b is sin b. As 90 minus b is in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So, cos 90 minus b equal to sin b. Now, you square this on both sides. You will get cos square a equal to sin square b. By using trigonometry formulas, this sin square b can be written as 1 minus cos square b. Yes, sin square b can be written as 1 minus cos square b. Now, this minus cos square b, you take it to the left hand side. What you will get? You will get that cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. So, if a plus b is 90 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. So, total 4 results are there. If a plus b is 90 degrees, sin square a plus sin square b is 1, cos square a plus cos square b is 1, tan a into tan b is 1, cot a into cot b is 1. Now we will prove this third one, tan a into tan b equal to 1. If they give a plus b is 90 degrees, from this a equal to 90 degrees minus b. You apply tan to this on both sides. Tan a equal to tan 90 minus b. You know from trigonometry formulas, when 90 degrees is there, tan changes to cot. 90 minus b is in first quadrant. In first quadrant tan is positive. So tan 90 minus b is cot b. So you got tan a equal to cot. From trigonometry formulas, reciprocal formulas, this cot b can be written as 1 divided by tan b, right? So what you got here? You got that tan a equal to 1 divided by tan b. You take this tan b to the left hand side, then what you will get? You will get that tan a into tan b equal to 1. So if a plus b is 90 degrees, then tan a into tan b is 1. See, now the fourth property we can prove from this, or you can follow the same procedure like this. I just want to prove that fourth property from this. What is fourth property? When a plus b is 90 degrees, cot a into cot b is 1. Here tan a into tan b equal to 1. We already know this. When a plus b is 90 degrees, tan a into tan b is 1. This tan a can be written as 1 by cot a. Tan b can be written as 1 by cot b equal to 1. Cross multiply, what you will get? Cot a into cot b equal to 1. So when a plus b is 90 degrees, cot a into cot b equal to 1. So I derived these four results. Actually, we use them as a formulas. Now we do problems based on this shortcut. This we use it as a shortcut so that we can solve many problems bit quicker. You see this question, sine square 51 degrees minus x plus sine square 39 degrees plus x. How to solve this problem? You observe sum of these two, 51 degrees minus x plus 39 degrees plus x. You see this minus x plus x will get cancelled. 51 degrees plus 39 degrees. If you add these two, you will get 90 degrees. So you identified that a plus b is 90 degrees. As a plus b is 90 degrees, what is sine square a plus sine square b? Sine square a plus sine square b is 1. So without solving this in single step, you can write the answer. As you identified that a plus b is 90 degrees, sine square a plus sine square b is 1. You see this question, you pause this video and try the solution your own. Later, you come and check the solution. Okay, here logarithm is there. I know from logarithms, log m plus log n formula is log mn, right? Log m plus log n equal to log mn. Here, you observe here, I'll take this as m, I'll take this as n. Okay, log m plus log n. I'll match these two, log m plus log n. Log m plus log n is log mn. So what this will become? Logarithm of tan 17 degrees into tan 73 degrees. Log m plus log n is log mn. Similarly, you apply log m plus log n to these two terms. Log m plus log n is log mn. So this will become logarithm of tan 37 degrees into tan 53 degrees. Okay, you observe here 17 plus 73 is what? Is 90 degrees, correct? So if a plus b is 90 degrees, you know from that shortcut tan a into tan b is 1. Yes, so logarithm of tan 17 degrees into tan 73 degrees is 1. Okay, plus logarithm of, you observe this part, 37 plus 53. 37 plus 53 is 90 degrees. As you know, a plus b is 90 degrees, tan a into tan b equal to 1. So this whole thing will become 1. So you got like this. You know from properties of logarithms, log 1 value is 0, right? So its answer is 0. The answer for this problem is 0. I hope you are understanding. See, this problem is similar to earlier problem. I want you to try this your own. You see this question, sine square 5 degrees plus sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 15 degrees plus and so on plus up to sine square 90 degrees. What is the value of this expression? I want you to try first your own. You know the shortcut, when a plus b is 90 degrees, sine square a plus sine square b equal to 1. First, you try your own. Later, you check the solution. Let's see the solution. In this, sine square 5, here sine square 85 degrees is there. Before this term, sine square 85 degrees will be there. Sine square 5 plus sine square 85 is 1. So, you need to observe what terms will be there like that. See, 5, 85. Sine square 5 plus sine square 85 will be equal to 1. Similarly, you take here 10 degrees. Corresponding to this, here you will get 80 degrees. Sine square 10 degrees plus sine square 80 degrees equal to 1. 15 degrees 75 degrees, 20 degrees 70 degrees. Sum of these two is 90, that you need to observe. 25 degrees 65 degrees, 30 degrees 60 degrees, 35 degrees 55 degrees, 40 degrees 50 degrees. Now you need to observe here one thing carefully. 145 degrees remains alone. See, these are a pair. This will become 1. Sine square 30 degrees plus sine square 60 degrees is 1. Sine square 35 degrees plus sine square 55 degrees is 1. Finally, this remains alone 45 degrees. So, if we simplify this, what you will get, sine square 5 plus sine square 85 is 1 plus sine square 10 plus sine square 80 is 1. Like that, how many ones you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones you will get. Okay. In addition to this, two terms are remaining. One is sine square 45 degrees. Somewhere here sine square 45 degrees is there in the middle, and we didn't calculated the sine square 90 degrees also. You can see here in this we didn't identified 90 degrees also. So what this will become at the end, this is sine square 45 degrees plus sine square 90 degrees. Okay, so if you take all this, this is 8 plus sine square 45 degrees, that is nothing but sine 45 degrees whole square, 1 by root 2 whole square plus sine 90 degrees value is 1. So this is 9 plus 1 by 2. If you simplify this, you will get 19 by 2. So for this problem, answer is 19 divided by 2. I hope you understand this solution. You see this problem, this is similar to earlier problem. Only the thing you need to know that when a plus b is 90 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. If you know this shortcut, you can do this problem. I want you to try this your own. Now you see this problem. This problem also can be done by using the same shortcut. You observe this. When a plus b is pi by 2, sin square a plus sin square b is 1. Here pi by 18 plus 8 pi by 18 is what? That is 9 pi by 18, which is same as pi by 2, right? So sin square pi by 18 plus sin square 8 pi by 18 value will become 1. I hope you understand. Now you observe this 2 pi by 18 and 7 pi by 18. You add them, 2 pi by 18 plus 7 pi by 18. What you will get? You will get 9 pi by 18, which is same as pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. So sin square 2 pi by 18 plus sin square 7 pi by 18 is also equal to 1. Now you see 4 pi by 18 plus 5 pi by 18. 4 pi by 18 plus 5 pi by 18 is 9 pi by 18 pi by 2. So sum of these two is 90 degrees. As you know, a plus b is 90 degrees. Sin square a plus sin square b is 1. So this problem answer is 3. I hope you understand this solution. If you like this video, please drop a like. And whatever the problems I given to you to try your own, please try and comment the answer below. In case if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.